Hi everyone. I want to tell you about these wonderful tote bags by Narvi. I like taking a tote bag with me in my suitcase when I go on a trip. This one is designed, you can see here, so that it can fit over the arm of a regular suitcase, and plenty of space inside for whatever you want to take. It's a nice big size, and it's got this outside pocket where you can put your phone or other handy things you want to keep with you, like your identification when you're on the plane. I actually pack it up, and I love that this one can be folded up so tiny and even fit into a small Ziploc bag or whatever you have, because I like taking one with me and putting it in my suitcase, and then if I do a little shopping or whatever, then I can just pop it open, fill it up, and bring everything extra that I've purchased home with me. So it's a great tote bag, very heavy duty. It's got these nice straps on it, and here's a little more information. It says, all Norway products come with a 6-month warranty, plus a minimum 12-month extension upon product registration. So, and they're just good, nice products. I chose this kind of sage green, but it comes in a variety of colors, and they have other products that they also manufacture that would match. So, so you can see some of your other choices there. So I've been very pleased with this bag. It's just exactly what I'm going to need, and it's a nice material that is supposed to be waterproof. So exactly right for taking on a trip. So thanks a lot for letting me share.